Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and guys, today I will show you a mega signal, a really big mega signal, because every big whale is waiting for this signal. What it is, I will show you on this video. Stay tuned, let's go. So guys, I promised you a really mega signal, and here it is. The name is hash ribbons. What it is, you can see it here on this side, on the downside. A really nice indicator. I will show you the hash ribbons. Publicly available on TradingView is an indicator made up of two simply moving averages, the SMAs of Bitcoin's hash rate, the 30-day and the 60-day SMA. A downward cross of the short-term MA on the long-term MA marks the beginning of a capitulation period, whereas an upwards cross spots its end. And now let me show you guys, here is Bitcoin, here is the Bitcoin chart picture, and let me show you really quick here, what is this indicator? Indicator type hash ribbons, and here it is. Here is on the downside the hash ribbon indicator. And it's really amazing. You can read on Google what's going on with this indicator. You can read it and study it. But for the first thing, the really important stuff it's showing us here a capitulation phase. It's showing us a buy signal. And now we are waiting. And I'm sure a lot of whales are also waiting. We had here a really nice long upgoing signal here with a buy. Now we can see we are in a capitulation phase. You can see it here. Capitulation, and we're going down. The red picture, you can see it here. The really important stuff is, guys, if we are zooming in a little bit more, here and here, you can see we are waiting for a cross. The big thing is we need a cross for this red line over the gray line. It is after this a green one. If we can see this cross, we will see maybe the next buy signal here, like this point. Here, buy signal. The green line crossed the gray one, and this was a nice buy signal. If you're watching this in history, you can see it also here. Green one, red down on the downside. You can see it was here, the start, before we saw a big dump to the downside, the red one, and before we saw the next pump to the upside, we saw the buy signal here. And it is a really easy stuff, guys. Nothing is working 100%, but if you have a lot of indicators, if you have a lot of stuff to watch, you can maybe try to catch this point where it is a good point for a next long position. And I'm sure a lot of influencers, a lot of big whales are waiting for this signal. And I activated this signal here. You can see it here on my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and on Twitch. And you can see it here on the downside. I have this signal now live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Join my live stream, watch this one, and watch for the next buy signal on the daily time frame here on the down right side, and wait with me here for the next big buy signal. And I think maybe this is a good buy opportunity, not a financial advice, but I think it's possible that this one here on the downside was the bottom. It is possible that we saw here the bottom with 20,000, and it's possible to see a nice breakout of this nice falling broadening wedge, guys. A falling broadening wedge. What is it? Let me show you this one in English. So like this one here. What is a falling broadening wedge? Sorry. So here it is. This is a falling broadening wedge, and you can see it is for the most times. Here it is. The descending broadening wedge is measured to be a reversal pattern, and it is bullish. So yes, of course, a falling broadening wedge is bullish. What do we need? We need a breakout over this line here. And if you're watching this in the line chart, we need a breakout over the red line, and the target is for the moment 30,000. So we need to beat 30,000. That's the next big thing in my opinion. We need to beat this line here, and after this we may see a new, maybe a new all-time high. Not impossible for me. I know it. That's only TA. I know that the world is against this one. That's everything what's happening on the world, the Ukraine war and everything is looking really bad. But if we're watching the TA, the technical analysis here, it's not looking so bad, guys. We have a broadening falling wedge. But if we are looking at a little bit closer, you can see it. We have a broadening rising wedge. That's a bearish pattern. Possible to break down again here to the downside? No. Why not, guys? Everything is possible. But the big picture is, yes, a broadening falling wedge, and maybe a nice buy signal with the hash ribbons. after this, we can go to the moon. I hope so. Let's be a little bit bullish, guys. Thanks for watching. That's the really fast overview for this one here, and I hope you can use this nice hash ribbon signal for your own. And very important, that's not a financial advice. Join me on my Twitch channel or on YouTube. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.